As I was saying, we're inside of the Comet one, so you can take a look inside and see the seats. These are unmovable seats here, like Comet 1Bs. As you can see, these cars were built by Pullman standard in 1970. Nothing, so let's continue our trip. This is the little passenger cars. This is the inside of the Birkin, the former Canadian National car. Since there is a little bit of there you go. Here's our Comet cars. And there's 21, RS1, seen there, and two other passenger cars, Alden Falls and Morris County, both full-on coaches, and the coaches. How you doing? And there's an older Lackawanna caboose. We're going to use this for next weekend's caboose train rides. An older Lackawanna ex-New Jersey Transit caboose. It's the maintenance service. There's another D&H caboose, another ex-New Jersey Transit. And if you take a look here, there's an old Lackawanna Railroad caboose and an ex from Lehigh, New England caboose. Or Lehigh, New England. And here, the next caboose here is former New Haven caboose number 10, which originally was built for the New Haven Railroad, the New York, New Haven, Hartford, and then later to the Raritan Railroad and the Raritan Central Railroad, the Broadway Valley's Railroad sister railroad. You can see here. Here, this is Southern Railway's 385. Most recent locomotive. These two are the most recent locomotives brought here to the Whippany Railway Museum. Here's 7240, another steamer. Here's C&J caboose 915229. And here's Line caboose, a mini caboose 100. Caboose 100 used for the excursions too, for the caboose train rides too. Here's the inside. Nice caboose. Here's the C&J caboose right next to us. And here's 4039. Here's 4039. No, 60. And here's Morristown Erie caboose number 4. Originally NYSW. So for the NYSW. This caboose, and here's what's the caboose. Very nice caboose. You can ride this caboose anytime you want. This caboose was originally at Lake Junction where the caboose was stored, and it was brought here by Morristown Erie back to Morristown at the Whippany Railway Museum because they want to run this caboose for the caboose train rides. See here. Also used for their local freight services.